Hi Barbie dolls! I'm Azusa Barbie, Barbie lover in West Hollywood. Thanks for watching my video. Today I'm doing little DIY. If you are following me on Instagram, probably you often see me wearing cute Barbie shoe bracelet, which is this. Isn't it cute? It's a perfect Barbie shoe bracelet. It's from jewelry brand called SaraGalllo Jewelry. Sarah is such an amazing, talented jewelry designer. She has a lot of cute and unique jewelry. She makes a bunch of jewelry with Barbie shoes like this. Since I found her on Instagram, I bought these. I've been loving wearing this. Of course, I'm gonna wear this to Barbie convention this year because I often have space bands like this. I was thinking if I had cute scrunchie with Barbie shoes. I'm gonna try to make some Barbie shoes scrunchie inspired by SaraGalllo jewelry. I know I cannot make perfect like Sarah does, but I really wanted to wear matching scrunchies on my space band. There are so many different kinds of Barbie shoes like high heel, sling back, radiator, platform, like all different types of Barbie shoes. It just makes me happy. Usually it goes to any of my outfits because I always wear like Barbie clothes. Let's start making it. So first we need Barbie shoes and this sharp tool for jewelry. I'm having a band-aid on, but it's not from poking with this, trust me. I just broke my nail, so don't worry. But still, you need to be careful with this. It's really sharp. Here's a hole. It takes time, but we need to make a hole on a bunch of Barbie shoes. And actually, I already have these with holes, so they're all ready. Let's start with clear, stretchy string. We just need to put string like sling back. You can just put through between the heel and sling back, you know, like this. So far, looks like this. Cute! So you just keep doing this basically. I know it takes time, but it's worth it. I think it's long enough. So now we just need to tie here. So it's a little bigger than bracelet. For one scrunchie, I used like from 45 to 50 Barbie shoes. Since I make space bands for my hair, so I need 2 of them. Now I did 2 scrunchies. Let me try to wear these. Oh my god. I think they look perfect. Ignore how messy my space bands look like today. I just did in like 5 minutes, so don't judge my space bands. But look. Aren't they cute? Now I'm wearing black t-shirts, so they might not be matching, but when I wear like a cute pink dress or something, I think it's gonna be super cute. Wow, I love it. I think I did a great job. You should totally check SaraGallo's website. Not only Barbie shoe jewelries, but she has a ton of cute items. I totally love her stuff, and I'm so sure you're gonna love them too. Please go see SaraGalllo.com. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you like my video, subscribe my channel, and follow me on Instagram. Hope you have a fantastic Barbie day. Bye.